Many people dream of a profitable business that serves customers all over the world. If you are one of them, this information is exactly what you need. Dropshipping is the business that provides equal opportunities to everyone. It doesn't matter whether you are an islander or a resident of a busy metropolis. If you want to secure a better future for yourself and your family, you can easily set up an online business that will bring you money at any point of the globe. You don't need to manufacture products or to buy them from someone in advance and stock them, paying all related expenses. All you need is stable internet access and an online store. Starting here, your business journey begins. Let's see how dropshipping business model works in simple 6 steps. Step 1. Find an online supplier who has the products you want to sell. Step 2. Show the supplier's products with marked up prices on your website and advertise them. Step 3. Receive direct payment from the customers who buy from your website. Step 4. Redirect the orders to your suppliers and pay them their original price, keep the profits to yourself. Step 5. Do nothing, the supplier will ship the order directly to your clients. Step 6. Repeat. Find more products and suppliers if you like, and enjoy greater earnings. Want to start a risk-free, highly profitable business that doesn't take much time to run? In Finland, it's 100% possible. It's one of the most prosperous countries in the European Union with a population exceeding 5.5 million people and a GDP of $277 billion. Its e-commerce market shows a stable growth. That makes Finland a great marketplace for online entrepreneurs. On top of that, Finland has all the necessary conditions to run and grow your online business. Stable internet connection to stay in touch and control your business 24/7. Globally trusted payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe and 2Checkout to receive payments from around the globe and grow your profit. Good social and cultural environment that lets you easily learn whatever you need about the locals and find your customers. So, there is nothing that could keep you from launching your money-making, trouble-free business that will let you enjoy your life. Selling your products to Finland is a great idea. Yet, if you start your dropshipping business in this country, you're not limited only to this country. This business model allows you to find customers in almost every country on the globe. You can sell your products to Japanese citizens, French housewives, or any other consumer group from any country you like. Starting your dropshipping store lets you go beyond borders and push your profit up while staying wherever you want and enjoy doing whatever you like. Start it now and make your dreams come true. Launch your online store with AliDropship and become a 100% owner of a profitable business. AliDropship is the world's #1 dropshipping business platform that provides you the WordPress plugin and customized store creation service at very affordable price. Create your own dropshipping store with the most powerful plugin for WordPress. Or let the AliDropship team create a store for you. AliDropship's unique solutions are creating a wave of buzz with dropshippers just like you. Whether you're a total newbie or a seasoned expert with a multi-million-dollar turnover, AliDropship has the exact solution you're looking for. When you invest in AliDropship plugin, you can easily build your own professional AliExpress dropshipping store. The plugin offers all the features you'll need to build your own highly profitable business. The best thing about AliDropship is, unlike other dropshipping platform, AliDropship lets you enjoy the 100% ownership. Whether you build it yourself or have AliDropship build it for you, you will have full ownership of your dropshipping empire. You keep all the profits and have complete control over your store. And AliDropship doesn't limit you on the number of products you can have or the monthly sales you can get. Even if you have tens of thousands of products and millions of orders, you pay no extra fees. And AliDropship has a wide range of high-quality services to help you succeed through every phase of growth. AliDropship offers free personal support for every solution you order, so you'll always have them as your secret weapon. Are you ready to start your dropshipping business today? The link is in the description below. Go to the description, click the link and start your dropshipping journey today.